So welcome everyone, and this is the GBPJPY trade. I was expecting price to, as you can see, this pair is bearish. We have higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high with support. This is an area of resistance. Price is not willing to break this area, and we have a lower low. So I'm looking for price to come back inside this area, and this is the 4-hour time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, I will just be looking for an area of imbalance, like price should tap inside and give me a fair value gap that I can enter short from. So that's what I'll be doing. And like I keep saying on this pair, I need this place to be close. But if I should see an entry from here, here is going to be my take profit. Here is going to be my take profit, because I was inside a trade last week, and this trade I was inside this trade, but it didn't get here, so I had to, you see, if I was staying inside, the price would have gotten close to stopping me out. So that was I don't like that. The reason why I'm not trading today is because there's no news, and I don't want to be inside this consolidation. This is the 4-hour time frame. Imagine if I was inside this consolidation. Price is consolidating right now. Look at all this consolidation. I don't want to be. I want to be. This is the move that I want to be part of. This displacement, this, and this is what I want to be part of. So there's no news, and today is Monday. It's not going to happen. So tomorrow also there's no GBP news, but if price should come inside here, I'm looking for price to come inside here and give me a selling opportunity, and I'll sell, and here will be my take profits tomorrow. So that's what I'm waiting for on GBPJPY. On the gold, I think price is done retracing on gold, and this area, this is my resistance area. This is where I'm looking for price to. This is the previous resistance area, and once we break this place, I have this other block here that price is likely to come back inside. But once we break, price is like going to break high, so we might target this 4,500. Yeah, 4,500 would be my target, and once we break, I'm looking for a fair value gap inside this place. So that will be on the 15-minute time frame. This is the 1-hour time frame. On the 15-minute time frame, I'm going to look for a fair value gap inside, and I'll be taking I'll be taking the buy to this place. So after this place got hit, price can choose to retrace back inside this area, and I'll be looking to continue to buy from inside this area or inside this area again. But right now what I'm looking for is I want to go to break this high. Once you break and close above, not just break, like break and close above this high. Once you break and close above this, that shows me that we want to go higher, and any imbalance that I see, I'm going to be entering my trade off of that imbalance, hoping for this break to push up here before we come back into this area for correction, and we start buying again. So it's going to come back here, but once we break here, I'm going to be part of this first move that comes here, and I will look to continue the move here also. So that's my analysis on gold. And this is not like I've not been able to, even though I've been last week, I wanted price to get here before I catch all this move, because this is my current liquidity. But price got closed, came here, and we have this shift here. I want the price to come back to the beginning, so I'm still waiting for price to come back to this place and sell from this place, but price is not doing that. So I'm not going to be doing anything yet. So I'm not going to be doing anything. I'm going to delete this and delete this. So I'm not going to be doing anything on this pair. And Bitcoin is like, this is just like liquidity sweep of Bitcoin. We swept this liquidity, and price is looking to keep going bullish again, to keep going bullish. So this is the previous resistance area we broke, and we came, swept all this low, and yeah, this is a good area to buy. But there's no news today. I just don't feel like I should be trading today. Today is Monday. I don't feel like I'm not in the mood to trade today. So remember, the whole week, what I'm looking for, I'm not looking to trade more than 5 trades. I don't want to, out of all these 4 pairs, I'm just looking for 5 trades, and I already have this trade that I'm waiting for on GBP. So that will be the trade number 1. I have this other trade that I'm also waiting for on gold. That will be the trade number 2, and I'm not going to be forcing it. Even if those are the 2 trades that I take and they are okay, I'm good with it. I'm not looking to force anything. I've come so far in my trading career. that I've learned the hard way trying to trade when I shouldn't be trading. Imagine if I traded today, there was no movement. Look at all this consolidation. Yeah, so I think the biggest lesson someone needs to know as a beginner trader is when to not trade. You need to identify the days that there's not going to be a lot of movement in the market. So those days you are not going to trade, and you can only do that by having experience. So just I feel like the easier way you can do that is by not trading when there's news. Like when there's no news, no volume. I'm not saying you should trade exactly when the news is happening. Let's say tomorrow now we have a red folder day tomorrow, then there's definitely going to be volume in the market. So you can choose to either be in the trade before the news, way before the news, or after the news. So there's still going to be a lot of volume in the market. So yeah, that's what I do. But right now I have this trade on go that I'm waiting for. Once you break here and give me this imbalance, I'm going to be entering from there, targeting here. And if we reach here, I'm going to wait for the price to come down here, and here I'll be looking to continue buying upwards again. So those are like 2 trades for me already that I'm waiting to happen on good already. So that's 2 trades already out of the 5 trades that I'm looking for this week. And on GBPJPY, I'm looking for price to come back here, give me a sell. So that's 3 trades already. So if these 3 trades should just hit, I'm good for the week. I'm not looking for anything again. So there's no need to force any trade. But if this should also come back here, I'm going to be selling from here. If we have a retracement back into here, I'm going to be selling. So that's like 4 already. So I'm good. If I have those 4 and I lose like 2, win 2, I'm good. Or I lose like 1, win 3, I'm good. So yeah, I don't need to be trading every time or every day. Right now I'm more of a swing trader than actually a day trader. I hold trades for like 3-4 days now, so that's where my trading journey has gotten me to, and that's what I'm really comfortable with, because the higher time frames the areas on the higher time frame are way stronger than what you see on the lower time frame. Like this 4-hour time frame, this is the 4-hour time frame. This area, there is a higher percentage that this area is going to hold more than the 15-minute or 5-minute time frame. So that's what I'm comfortable with, and this is what I align with. So that's the reason why I just to be a swing trader. Like I'm like a swing trader now. So yeah, that's what it is. So see you guys on the next video, and please, thank you, subscribe, share to a friend, and let's grow together.